Merhaba, my friends. I have a craving for shawarma in Georgian today, and that's what we will be cooking. Shawarma is an international dish because you can find it in every country, and it's typically made with grilled lamb or chicken wrapped in the flat bread and served with delicious sauces. I'll show you today how we make it in Georgia from scratch at home, and my meat today will be chicken. So we will be making chicken shawarma, and let's start cooking. It also will be the masterclass how to cook with Georgian ajika chili paste, and I have red ajika here and green ajika. We'll be using both. Green ajika, red ajika. Red ajika I already used to marinate the chicken. This is chicken tenders, which I marinated about 1 hour ago, and my marinade was very simple. I was using red ajika. And this is an excellent chili paste which we use a lot in Georgia. So because I used ajika, I didn't need many more ingredients. So I used a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and ajika, and I added 2 cloves of garlic. If you don't have red ajika, you can use khmeli suneli Georgian spice. I will give you the recipe for marinade. Shawarma or shaurma, it's the grilled meat or cooked meat wrapped in the flat bread, as I told you, but with some vegetables. Different people use different vegetables, but today I will be using tomatoes, I will be using iceberg lettuce and red onion. The skillet should be really hot, then I will be adding olive oil, so let's make sure your oil is even, and now we can start adding our chicken pieces. It's sizzling, so it's hot. And that's what we need, because we need to create the crust. For shawarma, you can use any parts of chicken. It's not really important which parts. I am using chicken breasts today, tenders. My chicken is ready. You see how crusty it is? It's crusty outside and moist inside. So I need to cool it a little bit and then cut into smaller pieces. So I'll put it aside and I'll start chopping the vegetables. I just cut in half or cut in 3. You can use any type of tomatoes. So tomatoes are ready. So cut the onion in half moons. And it's better to use red onion, but if you don't have red onion, you can use yellow onion. Or green onions, if it's spring, you're making shawarma in spring, then just use green onions. They're also very good. And you can. Now let's cut chicken. And you don't even have to cut chicken. You can use it like it is, because these are small and thin parts of the chicken. But just to absorb it, the sauce is better, because what is about shawarma, it's the sauce, right? The best part of shawarma. So I'll cut it in small pieces like that. Okay, so my chicken is ready too. The best part of any shawarma or shawarma is the sauce, and today we will be serving our shawarma with 3 sauces. So one is made with yogurt and some garlic in it. Some people add mint to it. I don't like it, but I think that this is the sauce which is best for lamb. We don't have lamb today, so out. This is real hummus. And hummus is very tasty with the chicken. Now I'll show you the sauce which we make in Georgia, and this is combination of mayonnaise and sour cream. That's by itself, it's delicious. So now I will add garlic to it, because shawarma likes garlic. And you can add garlic to your taste. I have large cloves of garlic, so I'm just adding 1 for now, but I will be, of course, trying. And after garlic, I will be adding ketchup. That's the sauce we all love, ketchup, mayonnaise, and sour cream and garlic. That's delicious sauce. And ketchup, just add to your taste. Now, I told you that today we have masterclass of cooking with Georgian ajika or chili paste, which is very popular in my country, and I always have supplies of ajika, which I make myself. So this is green ajika. And I will be adding, because I like it spicy, I will be adding green ajika to my wrap, but not to the overall sauce, because my family members, they don't like it's too spicy. That's why we will be making individual wraps with individual sauces for my family members. So let's start wrapping. So this is for me, I like it spicy, I told you, so I'll put my green ajika. A very generous portion. And I will add some sauce. Then we will start adding the piece of lettuce. Then just put chicken, onions, tomatoes. And if you are sauce lover, you can put more sauce. I am sauce lover because I think, you know, the best is sauce in shawarma. And now let's wrap. So this is our shawarma. This wrap I will make with hummus. So I'll put some hummus, and it won't be spicy, but it will have this pleasant, you know, like hummus taste. So we do the same, we put lettuce on it, and we put chicken on top of the lettuce, then we put tomatoes, then we put onions, and again on the top you can add a little bit of hummus, it's up to you. This is our hummus shawarma. So today, my friends, we made shawarma or shaurma, as we call it in Georgia. And I showed you 3 delicious sauces you can serve with shawarma. It's up to you which one you choose. You can also create your own. And in Georgia, we typically, you know, wrap it in the flat bread, which we call lavashi. I don't have lavashi in here, so I was using flour tortillas, which are actually also very good for wrapping the. Shawarma is comfort street food, which you can get in any country, and today I'll show you how we make it in Georgia. If you like the recipe, please share with your family and friends. Come back for my weekly postings. Please subscribe, comment. It's very important for me. Bon appetit! Gabriela, mir wieder nach Landis. Bye for now.